Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you what is Shopify and how does Shopify work. So actually here is our Shopify website. So we have to click on start a business, grow your business, Shopify. So here we can see that the Shopify website. So actually what is Shopify? Shopify is a commerce platform that allows anyone to set up an online store and sell their products. Merchants can also sell their products in person with Shopify POS. Shopify started over 10 years ago when our founder Toby wanted to sell snowboards with his company at that time called Snow Devil. He quickly realized it was incredibly challenging to sell snowboards online without an easy to use e-commerce platform. So he decided to create it himself and Shopify was born. So Shopify is now the leading commerce platform designed for businesses of all sizes. Whether you sell online, on social media, in store, or out of the trunk of your car, Shopify has you covered. The first Shopify store was our own, and it's been our mission to make commerce better for everyone ever since. So here we can see Shopify. Here we can see some options: start, sell, market, and manage. So now, how does Shopify work? Whether you are building jewelry designer and want to start selling your products, or a musician and want to sell your largest or latest mixtape, or if you have an established business and want to grow, Shopify can help you. Hundreds of thousands of entrepreneurs from over 175 countries trust Shopify to help sell their products. So here we can see branding, online presence, store setup or sell, point of sale. Below you will find the different products or services that you can sell on Shopify. Even if you know what you are selling already, it may give you some ideas for other services you could sell to grow your business. Here we can actually you can sell the physical products. Actually a physical product could be something you make by hand. You make by hand something you have manufactured or something you drop ship to customers. Examples include jewelry, bath bombs, t-shirts, gift boxes, beef jerky, or pins, to name a few. Or you can sell digital products. This could include ebooks, email templates, audio downloads, Lightroom presets for photographers, e-courses, or clothing patterns. Or you can sell services and consultations by using Shopify. Whether you are an interior designer, dentist, or a life coach, your customers can book online and sell online or in-person consultations. Or you can select the option on rentals. Rental businesses are technically service based, even though a physical product is involved. So if you have like to rent dresses or props, for example, you can use the Shopify platform. The sky is truly the limit with what you can sell on Shopify. We recommend taking a few minutes to read our official terms of service to be certain that what you plan to sell is legal where you live. So at first you need to start a free trial. Here you can start your free trial by giving your email address or new password and your store name. After giving your store name, it will be etc. Actually for example abcd.myshopify.com. Then you need to create your store. So here you can see the marketplaces, email marketing. So if you want to see anything here that bring your business online, food and drink, Alfred, jewelry, food and drink, beauty and cosmetics, home and garden. Take the best path forward. Start an online business, create a business, whether you have got a fresh idea or are looking for a new way to make money. Move your business online. Turn a retail store into an online store and keep serving customers without missing a beat. Switch to Spotify. Switch to Shopify. Bring your business to Shopify no matter which e-commerce platform you are currently using. Hire a Shopify expert. Get set up with the help of a trusted freelancer or agency from the Shopify Experts Marketplace. With wherever you are going, one platform with all the e-commerce and point of sale features you need to start to run and grow your business. So you can sell everywhere. Everywhere you can sell by using Shopify. This is the best online platform for business. Here you can see the empowering independent business owners everywhere. Over 17 million businesses in 175 countries around the world have made over 200 billion USD in sales using Shopify. So this is the worldwide e-commerce sector I have ever seen. So this is the Shopify. So this is our chapter. Please don't try to skip this video. Try to subscribe to our channel to stay with our First of All Tech all the time. Thank you.